Hey friends, got some cool new updates to playbooks. Check this out. Here I am editing a playbook, and if we go over to settings, this recommendation settings has been in beta for a while. It's now fully live. You can choose an object and set some rules for when this playbook will be highlighted on that object. But check this out. We now have cars, deliveries, num-nums, pets. All of my custom objects are in here too because custom objects now support playbooks. You can access them there, you can surface them there, it's great. And then just to show you what this rule creation looks like, you add a filter, and look, you don't just have properties, you have associated object information, and look at CRM activities, check this out, this is super cool. What if a outcome rescheduled count, right? So like, if you have a lot of activities and they're being rescheduled, maybe we'll surface a playbook to help with that. Super cool. The last thing I want to show you that's now live for playbooks also is if we preview this playbook. When you access a playbook, there's this notes section. It's always just been plain text. Now it's rich text, and you can even insert snippets here too. Again, all three of these features are now live. If you have playbooks, you have access to them. Check them out. Let me know what you think. Let me know if you have any questions.